Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools on the market. Today, we're talking about the DEWALT 20V Max Reciprocating Saw, one of the best cordless demolition tools available today. If you're looking for a powerful saw to handle your toughest cutting tasks, this could be the tool you need. The DEWALT DCS380B is built with a powerful 20V max battery system that delivers impressive performance. With a speed of 3,000 strokes per minute and a variable speed trigger, this saw lets you control your cuts with precision, whether you're tackling wood, metal, or even tough demolition jobs. The saw's 4-position blade clamp allows you to make flush cuts and handle different types of material with ease. One of the most notable features of the DCS380B is its ergonomically designed body. Weighing in at just around 7.3 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and durability, making it easy to maneuver during heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're working overhead or in tight spaces, the comfort grip minimizes fatigue, so you can keep working longer without discomfort. Another key aspect is the tool's versatility. The variable speed trigger lets you adjust the cutting speed depending on the material, giving you more control over your work. Plus, the reciprocating saw design means it's ideal for making aggressive, rapid cuts in a variety of materials, from wood to PVC to metal piping. You'll also appreciate the heavy-duty build quality. DEWALT is known for producing long-lasting tools, and this one is no exception. The DCS380B features a robust construction that can withstand the rigors of frequent use, making it a reliable companion for your home improvement, renovation, or demolition projects. The DEWALT 20V Max Reciprocating Saw is also designed with safety in mind. The easy-to-operate trigger system and blade clamp make it simple to use while minimizing the risk of accidental operation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this saw gives you the peace of mind you need while working. It's also important to note that the DCS380B is sold as a bare tool, which means you'll need to purchase the battery and charger separately if you don't already own other DEWALT 20V Max tools. However, this allows you to mix and match the batteries with other tools in the DEWALT 20V lineup, making it a flexible addition to your tool collection. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and ergonomic cordless reciprocating saw for your demolition or construction needs, the DEWALT 20V Max Reciprocating Saw should be at the top of your list. It's an investment that pays off in cutting power, precision, and durability, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to take on tough jobs without the hassle of cords or limited mobility. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews of the best tools on the market.